boys and girls, we're going to do some more work with our part whole. These look a little bit different than they did yesterday. So my whole on this one is 4 and I have 3. So how many more will I put in the box to make 4? Yep, just 1. Good. And so now my whole is missing. So what I need to do is count all of the ones over on this side to get my whole. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is my whole? It's 9. Very good. Okay, on this one, I have my whole and I have 4. So I'm trying to get to 6. So start at 4 and count up to 6. 5, 6. Good. I'm missing my whole here, so I need to count all of these ones together. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's my whole? It's 9. Okay, on the next one, I have my whole is 3. And I have one part that's here, so I'm trying to get to 3. So I start at 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then on this one, I'm missing the whole, and I have these 2 parts. So I want you to count them and see how many together. Yep, it's 5. 5 is there. Good, now I'm missing my whole, so I'm going to add these together, and that's pretty simple. So what is that one? It's 2. Very good. Now I have my whole is 8, and I have 2, so let's keep counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right. Now I have my whole as 7, and I have 4, so let's keep counting till we get to 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Over on this side, we are missing some numbers, and we need to decide what numbers we're missing. So we just start counting 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I go to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we start at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I want you to push pause and finish these 4 on your own. Ready? Go. Okay, did you try it on your own? Okay, I want you to correct it with mine and make sure that you have them right. So we're missing 11, 13. We're missing 6 and 7. We're missing 2 and 5. And we're missing 8 and 10. All right. If you got them all right and you finished your work, give yourself a smiley and do what your teacher would have you do next.